So on today's video, we'll look at the fundamentals for this upcoming week, technical analysis for this upcoming week, and the Forex currency news. So let's start and roll the camera. So I hope you're having a good day since it's currently Monday and I'm uploading this video on a Tuesday because I already uploaded a video about Bitcoin altcoins later this week. So for Monday I'll just cover this video. So let's start. Okay, for Monday there won't be a lot of news since it's holidays and stuff, but news that you guys can watch out for. They have a lot of volatile movements for the markets. It's these news that you must keep out for. So the first one starts on, actually they start mostly on a Wednesday. The ones that I think will have a lot of volatile movements. It's the CPI on Wednesday at 2:30. If you're in South Africa, it's gonna be 2:30. Interest rates, the CAD interest rates, it's at 4 p.m. in South African Standard Time, and the interest rates which is at 8 p.m. South African Standard Time. Then on a Thursday you guys can also trade the CPI and the GDP. The CPI is at 12 a.m. in the afternoon and the GDP is at 2:30 p.m. on a Thursday, South African Standard Time. Then on a Friday, we all know it's the first week of the month, and which is a Friday. So NFP is currently on this week. So NFP is basically that the president is gonna talk about the unemployment rate that happened during the previous month, and during that time that causes a lot of volatile movement in the market. So this event that always happens every month on the first Friday. Most traders like to trade this event because it has a lot of volatility, and volatility is good when trading because you can make a lot of money and also you can lose a lot of money. So you must make sure if you trade this event, you use risk management all the time. Don't blow accounts, just use the standard risk management. So that's done. Okay, now we can just look at the technical analysis for the coming week. We've covered the events happening this week on the economic calendar on investing.com. So okay, this is the technical analysis for this week. If you're trading these currency pairs, these are the guidelines you can use if you want to trade. So USDs are only see strong sells for every time frame. Then Euro USD strong buys and buys. So in the larger time frame it's neutral. So I best advise that you just look at this one and analyze it properly. And then GBP to the strong buys, USD to the Japan strong buy, USD check strong buys, no time frames. Then so if you guys want to be safe, I advise you to formulate a trading plan. You stick to that trading plan no matter what happens, because if you don't stick to a trading plan, you can go overboard and trade amounts of money that you will eventually lose. So a trading plan is like a guideline rule that you have to use every time by entering and by exiting the position that you placed on that currency pair or in dice that you're trading on. So it's very essential to follow your trading plan. If you don't know what's a trading plan, you can just search what a trading plan is. It's very helpful. I'm using it and it really helps so you know when to buy and when to exit, and always stick to that plan no matter what. But first you must test it and back test. So let's look at the Forex currency news. So this week this Brexit scandal is still happening, but it's not yet confirmed if England is gonna exit the EU, the European Union, like the European currency, because London, the UK wants to exit. They want to have their own currency that's not affected by other European countries. And I don't know why they took this decision. Maybe something is gonna happen to the markets. Who knows? So that's the main news that's gonna happen. So here in the news article, it says the meeting is gonna be delayed until next year, 2020, on the 31st of January, 2020. And then on the other news, Forex franc extends fall of the market US-China trade deal. This is also what's happening. It's gonna cause a lot of market movement. It's gonna affect the Swiss franc and the Chinese yuan. This trade deal thing is affecting the markets. It's affecting other currencies as well. So Brexit is mostly the headlines. Current week, you guys can go and check out other news. They always post news daily, and you can always check out the platform, create an account, look at the economic calendar, and etc. So this is gonna be it for today's video. This is me, Digital Digits, and always stay digital.